And this hair got me feeling like Beyonce. Like, I got my 27, I got my one beat. I go give you love and I go give you overload. Hey everyone, this is Princess Something Foreign and welcome back to my channel. I am here with another unit to review for you guys. The unit that I have on is called PermRomance. I have her in the color 1B27 and she is from the Sensational collection. So actually this unit is not a new unit. This hair is about 4 to 5 years old. When this unit first came out, I believe it came out in 2017. I bought this unit and I did a hair review video on this, so I will put the direct link to that video somewhere up here. I used to be in love with this hair, so I was like, you know what, she still look good, she still feel good, let me try to revamp her and see what I can do, you know, to change her up. So all I did was just flat iron this unit. My flat iron was on about 400 to 430. There was no melting, nothing. So once I flat ironed this unit, I was like, whoa. Like, I saw the beauty of this hair even more. I plucked some hair from the parting space on this unit and I created some baby hair. So that's the only difference what I did to this hair. In the initial review video, I did nothing with this unit at all. I did nothing. Like, she was basically just sitting on my head. All I did was just brush out the curls and that was about it. And but I'm just like, you know what, it's okay, because that shows, you know, my growth in how I style and customize my my units. So I was just like, this is so embarrassing. Wow, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? But you know what, it's good, it's good, it's okay, it's okay. You know, you gotta start from somewhere. You know, you gotta start from somewhere, and that's where I started from. But now I'm here. I actually tried to find like a direct link for this hair and I could not find anything at all, which I understand because this unit is 5 years old and Sensational has grown also in how they, you know, make their wigs and things like that. But at the time, this wig was like the best wig out there, okay? So it still looks like this, it still feels like this, okay? But anyways, that's all. I just want to kind of just show you guys my old wig and how I revamped her and just, you know, bring her up to date. So hopefully you guys like this. Hope you guys think it looks good. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's more wigs to review and there's more wigs to revamp. Thumbs up to this video, share this video, and leave a comment below and tell me what do you think about this hair. Once again, this is your girl Princess Something Foreign. God bless.